Hello Skywinders, today we have a new toy right here. It's the Sony SRS XB12 Extra Bass, or Bass if you want to call it like the British. Just kidding. So it's waterproof and dustproof. It has a micro USB charging and it can answer the phone. It has a long battery life, it has a strap, and you have a speaker add function, so you can make multiple speakers that connect to the same device, the same phone. Let's open it up if we can. I just picked this up from Walmart. Yes, they do have it. Cool. It's brand new. So let's charge it up and see what it can do. Okay, to start charging, you have to pull this out like this. This is what keeps it waterproof. So there's an audio in if you want to put some audio in. There's a reset hole there. And then there's the USB, the micro USB port. On the front you have the, can't see, pairing, minus, plus, pause play, and add if you want to add more speakers. So let's just charge it up right now. So obviously while it's charging, it's not waterproof. It's only waterproof when you cover it up. And this is not doing anything. There we go. And I think that's doing something. It doesn't. Oh, there we go. Let me turn off the light. Okay, so that's how you know it's charging. Okay, so now let's pair this to your phone. All you have to do is press and hold the power button over here for 3 seconds. And then it starts flashing. As you can see, it starts flashing. So you go to your phone and you click pair new device. Click on it. And you're going to find this SRS XB12. Click on it. And then just say pair. And that's it. So it's now active. The SRS XB12 is active. And now it's time to just play some music. Okay, so we're gonna play this song right here, Happy Mandolin, because that's does not create a copyright strike. So let's listen. Okay, so let me pause right there, and I have to say that the audio quality is absolutely awesome. This is so small. You can tell how small it is. And the audio quality, you can touch the table and you can feel the vibration on the table. So let me get a dollar bill so you can take a look at how big this is. Okay, so this is the relative size. That's how it's about half as tall as a dollar bill and as thick as a dollar bill. So the quality in audio is just amazing. And the reason why I bought this one instead of the rectangular one is because it has this strap, because I want to be able to hang it somewhere. And you can put a pin on the wall and just put it on the wall, and that would be beautiful. You don't have to make any crazy adaptations. So I don't know what else to say about this. Let's see if we can keep playing. Wow, that's beautiful, all that vibration. Let me see if we can move on to the next song. I don't think it allows me to move to the next song. So that's bad. I wish it did. But it's still cool. There's definitely a lag there. Okay, so now let's test the waterproofness. So we have to make sure that this is tightly closed right here. This is the cap. And now let's turn on the music. Well, you can't hear it when it's down there. Well, that's pretty good. So it actually does work, but once it's in the water, you can't hear the music very well. It has to be above the water. Alright folks, so we have reached the end of this video, and I'm very happy with this product right here. It has absolutely excellent sound. It's very small. It charges fast. It has a carry strap, and we did the test. It is waterproof, but only if you close this. If you close that, it is waterproof. What else? It has a nice velvet, a nice smooth texture. I don't know how to call that. And you can connect it via Bluetooth or audio in cable. And it has this rubber here that keeps it in place. And I have no complaints. The only complaint that I do have, I think, is that I can't skip through songs. I haven't been able to figure out how that works, so maybe I'm wrong about that, maybe I am right. So that's up to you. But I don't know how to do that. Other than that, I think it's a perfect device, and I do recommend it 100%. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.